Hi guys, welcome to my project presentation. This is my game which can be played simultaneously by two players. The players should make decisions and play the minigame so that they can get more and more money and win the game. So let's begin. I don't want to see the rules. I will give the name to player 1 KK and to player 2. Both of the players will be given $3,000 beginning wealth, and they should use this money to purchase land they wanna buy, and each will cost $3,000. But once they choose to use the land, they can get daily income as payback. So KK is at a 7 unit on the map. This is the minigame unit, and the game is time controlling, and you should press the enter key once you think 10 seconds have passed. So let's go. Go. Yes, I got a reward. So A is at a vacant land of 2nd unit, so I wanna buy a land for her and build a farm for her. So then, purchasing a land for KK. You can see KK doesn't have property, but AA has, so AA has income, and KK has 0 as income. So I will buy a property for her. Here, AA only has $2,000. Once she wants to buy the land, the wealth she has will drop below 0, and she will end the game, lose the game. So I will say no for her. Still purchasing. Uh, 22 unit is a market, and you can get some props in the market. So let's visit the market and see what can be bought. There are 5 choices. You can input 0 to exit directly, and you can also choose 1 to 4 to separately to upgrade your the land you're renting out, and to save money for holiday, and to improve your farm, and to upgrade your companies. And let's see how much money KK has right now. 8,000. So I will choose 2 for her and still purchasing land. Um, 29 is still the same time controlling game, so I will skip it. Still 29. A comes here. Oh, 37 is another minigame. This is called Spotted Ice Game. You should pick out the unqualified product within a lot of good product. The unqualified product is represented by the uppercase I, and the others are shown by lowercase l. So it is very hard, but let's try though. Okay, go. Oops. There's a hint. You can choose whether to use it or not. It depends on you. I win the game. I got $3,000 and still purchasing land. This is a gambling house, and you can gamble with your money. And I will gamble for gamble with $2,000. Oh, I got a lot. 50 unit is also a market unit, and I will go to buy the same thing for AA. 43 unit is another minigame unit. You should construct a whole word, a whole sentence with the text see out to your screen to inspire your employees. There are several lines of text, and you should only input one of the correct answers you get. You are not necessary to input all, since the system can only accept one. I will type well done. Since A has finished a circle of working, so she has the chance to have a holiday, and once she passes the holiday, she will win the game if she still has $50,000 left. So I will give A a try, and I think she can pass. So if she can't pass, KK will win and she will lose. So let's try. Oh, A wins. She still has $72,000, so A wins the game and the KK lost.